Hi, this is Nikita. I am from Hyderabad. I have placed in a top MNC company. Like in this video, I want to share you with my experience in the Jspiders. And here I have took the course on the Java full stack. Java, and here we Java who was taught by the Vivek sir and Praveen sir, and SQL by Gautam sir, and web technologies by Lingaraj sir. And these are the things I have learned in the Java full stack developer. And here in Jspiders there is so much of like learning and gaining experience about the technical knowledge. So here it was the best thing in this institute. And coming to, I got placed in MNC company that